What's up? Vince Munoz here at Rage of the River, Laughlin, Nevada. Haven't raced in like 6 months. Truck is fresh. ODR put a new front end on it. We're gonna try to just keep it alive this weekend. Maybe overall first. I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna flirt around up there. Try to dance around a little bit. Try to give these 14, 50 kids a run for their money. What's up, guys? 1494, day 2 here at Laughlin, Rage of the River. Yesterday we finished 5th out of like 60 trucks. Today, just try to stay consistent, finish top 5, try to get an overall win for today maybe. I don't know, we'll see.
Steven Yates here, co-driver for Team MCC 1494. Today it's going to be rough out there, man. We're going to go kick some ass though, do our thing, and Vince is going to put it down like he always does. We're looking for a solid finish and hopefully repeat win, so go Team MCC.
fourth, we traded off. He beat me the whole time, and then finally the fourth lap, I caught him.
Hey,
It was dusty. Every time I'd catch him going up, it'd be just dusty, and then all of a sudden I just caught him. What's up, guys? Just finished day 2 over here at Laughlin. Started second row off the line. We were battling behind Nick Eisenhower all day. After about the 4th lap, we ended up catching him, and on the infield, me and him were battling it out pretty good. Got to thank my sponsors, MCC, my dad, and ODR for building a killer front end on the truck. But all in all, awesome day.
fire yesterday. Hey, man. Good job.
I was telling him, I started looking, the truck's turning weird.
Yes. I caught you coming down. I would catch you every fucking time.
Straightaway, every straightaway, huh? Yeah.
And then I'd catch you up here, and then it would be dusty, and I'm like, fuck.
Dude, that thing is so fast in the rush.
Hell yeah,
right now,
dude.
you were coming to corners, me and Vinny were lifting, setting up, you were just rotating and blowing berms out. Dude, I'm so happy.
Me and Nick were battling the whole time, and all I know is I had to get around you right there, otherwise I was gonna be fucking stuck.
Dude, nobody was pulling. Every time we came around, the same trucks were in the same spots. Every single time.
Yeah.
Me and Keith were right. He was 1 corner ahead of me every time. Keith wasn't pulling away.
Damn, I thought I got around you pretty clean. I didn't even feel it. That's how fast I was going.